Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 C300 4MATIC. This one's a cell-neck gray. Underneath there's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the sports package, which is going to give you the AMG Sportline exterior and interior look. 18-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels. The tires are in good condition. A sports black MB Tex interior. Panorama sunroof. C300 4MATIC badging. Open up the tailgate, got a clean set of floor mats. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which comes with Burmeister sound system, heated seats. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, our media display, gloss black center console, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This C300 has 62,630 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.